stuff in my right eye. It's quite sore. In this video, I'm going to talk about using a railgun as a particle accelerator. So in the last video, I forgot to mention a thing I called electrostatic induction railgun. So it's kind of similar to how a cyclotron would work. So you'd have your railgun. That's a crap railgun. Railgun is just pen is fucking up and everything. So sorry about this, guys. Is that the pen I was just using? That was the pen I was just using. That Sharpie looks good. Okay, let's take that. Throw it in the bin. Okay, the invention blogger is here to tell you that an electrostatic particle, electrostatic railgun, so electrostatic homopolar motor railgun could be used for particle accelerators. If you have your railgun like that, right, and you have an oscillating current, as the charge goes left and right, it creates a homopolar motor with the circuit. And if you send in like a little bead of, say, charged whatever into that, it will get whisked along from that end to the other end. Now you could actually make them oscillate in the same direction. I'm not sure exactly what that would do, and actually might make it so they were out, instead of being in phase, the two oscillating bars were out of phase, and that might be another way to drag things through or push things through the railgun. So the railgun wouldn't actually touch the thing it's accelerating. It would just use the electrostatic effect to accelerate it. This is how I came up with an idea for making cheap particle accelerators, like a cheap version of the Large Hadron Collider. You could do it with that. So that was one thing, was the railgun accelerator. There's another idea. If you give me a second, just my eye's very sore. Okay, it's what I call a nested or tiered particle accelerator. So you have your railgun accelerator. So you have charged particle, and I'll put a blue particle, blue, and it's going to come out shite because I screwed. Oh no, it's coming out nice. So if you have your ring, it's called a railgun ring, right? And if you have your positive charge going in the middle, going in one direction, and your negative charge on the outside going in the opposite direction, and if you pulse them towards each other, so pulse them away, the whole circuit will act like a circular railgun and will accelerate the particles in the middle. You can then sort of decouple them by taking them out tangentially and sending that to another ring of a particle accelerator and do that again. So you just needed a vacuum with those particles going around, and the particle streams act as the what are they called? Transformers, and they use the railgun effect to accelerate the next level and the next level and the next level to close to the speed of light. I actually think we can beat the speed of light with a ribbon accelerator, which is one of my ideas, is to accelerate a tin piece of metal. It's like super thin, like a 10 nanometers thick ribbon of metal, and accelerate that up to close to the speed of light. But and that also kind of goes into what I believe in about how particle accelerators work. Is they're not accelerating particles, they're accelerating gas. So, and those gas turn, as they're being accelerated, they get bunched together into gas whiskers. So that's basically how that idea works. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was understandable and clear. See you in the next video.